Hello students. Today we are going to understand the alkenes. Okay. So we will try to understand what are the alkenes in this video lecture. So dear student, when you talk about the alkenes, so alkenes are the unsaturated hydrocarbon. What is unsaturated hydrocarbon, student? Means they are having double or triple bond. Okay. So in case of alkenes, it is the double bond only. Okay. So containing at least one double bond. Okay. So it should have at least one double bond between the carbon and carbon atom. There is one double bond required. What should be the general formula of alkene? So general formula of alkene, if you talk about, student, so it is that is CnH2n. This is the general formula of alkene. If there is one double bond between the two carbon atoms in alkene, okay, they must possess at least two hydrogen atoms less than the alkanes. So two hydrogen atoms. So that is why if you talk about the alkanes, student, if you talk about the alkanes, so alkanes formula is that is CnH2n plus 2. And if you talk about the alkenes formula is that is CnH2n. So two hydrogen is less in the case of alkenes, right student? So this is the what the condition, and hence they are saying general formula of alkene is CnH plus CnH2n. Alkenes are also known as olefin. Olefins means oil forming. Olefins means oil forming. Since the first member of ethylene or ethene, C2H4, was the found to form an oily liquid on reaction with the chlorine. Okay. So these are also known as alkenes, are also known as olefins, as they form the oily liquids. Right, student? Now let us see the structure of the alkene, student. So carbon-carbon double bond in the alkenes consist of one strong sigma bond, bond enthalpy about 397 kilojoule per mole due to the head-on-head overlapping of sp2 hybrid orbitals, and one weak pi bond, bond enthalpy about 284 kilojoule per mole, obtaining by the lateral or sideways overlapping of the two p orbitals of the two carbon atoms. The double bond is shorter in bond length 134 picometer than the carbon-carbon single bond 154 picometer. You have already read that the pi bond is weaker due to the poor sideways overlapping between the two p orbitals. Thus, the presence of the pi bond makes alkenes behave as a source of loosely held mobile electrons. Therefore, alkenes are easily attacked by the reagent or compound which are in the search of electrons. Such reagents are called the electrophilic reagent. Okay, those who are searching the electron, they are known as electrophilic reagent. The presence of the weaker pi bond makes the alkene unstable molecule in comparison to alkanes, and thus alkenes can be changed into the single bond compound by the combining with the electrophilic reagent. Strength of the double bond, bond enthalpy 681 kilojoule per mole is greater than that of the carbon-carbon single bond in the ethane bond enthalpy. So 348 kilojoule per mole. Orbital diagram of the ethane molecule are shown in the figure. So you can see here, that is how is the orbital diagram, student. So here is they are showing only the they are representing the sigma bond, student. So each carbon atom is going to the sp2. So three new orbital is being formed, and they are on the head to head overlapping, they are forming the sigma bond. Okay, and one unhybrid orbitals are there like this. So these unhybrid orbital will literally overlap and they will form the pi bond. So this is the orbital picture of ethene depicting the sigma bond only. So this is all about the introduction of ethene. Thank you so much for watching, dear students.